Citizen's range of Tsuyosa automatics have grown to new heights with the addition of a handful of models, so let's take a look at one of them. This is the Citizen NK5010-51L Tsuyosa Small Second, a stainless steel 3-hand automatic. Now, this is no regular 3-hand handset. As you can see, a small sub-dial at 6 is quietly ticking along, measuring the seconds. This is what gives the model the small second name, in case you couldn't figure that one out yourself. Now, this 8322 caliber automatic movement is quite impressive with its 60-hour power reserve, and you can get a good look at this movement through the exhibition caseback. We have a stainless steel construction all throughout the watch. I gotta say, it feels really high quality. These links making up the bracelet are really smooth, and the butterfly clasp holding them together is equally as impressive. When you put this one on the wrist, it does feel like you're wearing a serious watch. It's a modest size as well, with a 40mm diameter. But let's not forget that dial, with its teal hues accentuated by the radiating finishes that, up close, look absolutely magnificent. Small finishes really do make a difference when it comes to creating a good looking dial. I think Citizen have nailed this one. Polished hands with drops of Lumibright make reading the time a breeze, and overall this is a very functional watch. I'm getting strong PRX vibes from the case shape, and that's not a bad thing. This release from Citizen comes alongside a bunch of Tsuyosa models, so click the link in the description to find more. Let me know in the comments, would you wear this watch? I know I would. Hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.